Yeah, combo you. Excited?
Mommy, is this a vlog?
A what?
This is a vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a vlog. Hello, camera.
Go.
So loud.
Is it really loud? Eh?
So can I ask you stuff?
What are you looking for?
LOL dolls.
Oh, darling, no, those is at the front. I'll show you in a minute. This really big here. 我哋而家係 Toy R Us。
Big old
咁啊，
Lego place.
英國已經執咗笠㗎。
I'm trying to find.
I'm going to show you. Are you sure you want LL dolls?
I'm trying to find.
Yeah, sure, no problem. There's games here.
I want to find Pokemon.
Wow, look at that house. It looks quite amazing, no? Lillian, I think LL dolls near here. Must be.
Must be because it's
Lillian, do you remember Penny Pong?
Pingy Pong. It sounds like Pingy Pong.
And Slovenian family.
Pingy Pong. Pingy Pong.
Whoa, look at this. It's really cute. Yeah, go on. 1, 2, 3, go. Go on then.大虹橋，我哋就嚟到呢個展覽廳睇 LEGO 嘅展覽。Yeah, let's go.《羅馬帝國》。And then you can build Lego here. 一係俾你玩，不停咁玩 Lego。Cinderella。Tell me, they're what? They're Lord of the Rings, are they?
Here it has a sticker and it says the name of it. Some tiny robots.
Queen of robots.
Tiny robots. You in that? You in?
Africa. Whoa. 藍精靈 Smith. Yes, Beauty and the Beast, Yuan. The castle. It's the Taj Mahal. It's, oh no, this is Disney Princess Jasmine. Aladdin.
You see all the cobblestone?
Whoa, this is like a stadium for something.
Stadium.
Tangled. The princess needs to be rescued. I believe she can rescue herself then. This is brave.
The Little Mermaid.
You and you can have a look at the Lego and get some ideas, no?
Well, I want to go my own idea.
You have your own idea, okay.
Lego Friends.
Or Lego friends, yeah. It's changing colour.
It's not because of the sex of the LED.
This is Lego friends, all the shops and everything.
Oh, mummy.
You have the police force and loads and loads of people. Why so many evil people? Look at their faces, guys. They look like zombies. So,
Some of them are normal people.
and then look, the police look really scary with guns.
I think it's like the zombie apocalypse.
This is zombies, yeah.
Zombie apocalypse.
And then you have the police and the. Whoa. Yeah, coming in a minute. One sec.
Caribbean, no?
I have no idea.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Looks really cool.
I think minus the scale. What is it supposed to be? That's like a real life city.
Yorkshire Brickshaw. This is supposed to be England. And look, the English trains, look. What's this? This is the...
Quidditch. It's like football, but in Harry Potter.
Oh.
On broomsticks. Oh, Father Christmas's village.
Oh my goodness. Look, all these eggs. Lots of Father Christmas little helpers. And presents. The massive Titanic boat. Whoa.
You just film like this and NASA's.
Thing. I thought you were going to build something. If you're here, why don't we look at the train track? It's like a whole city. Look. Ooh.
You don't need to hold it.
B. This is a fast train. Don't put your hand on the floor, please. Fast train, that is. Where's the steam train? This is all fast train.
The white one was rock. What?
Model railway.
Once.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness, what's this? What the hell is that? This is like war. Lots of soldiers.
But then inside it's beautiful. Mummy.
Yes.
Mummy, look.
Oh, I miss London. Look.
1891. London tenement houses. 18